Hello and welcome to this 80s inspired nail tutorial. So first I start off by buffing the nail, creating a smooth surface for the gel polish to go onto. These nails have already been prepped with a builder in the bottle just to give it a bit more strength. Once I've buffed the nails, I then brush over it to remove any dust, so there's no lumps or bumps in the gel polish. Next I'm using NAIO Nails Residue Wipe Off Solution and a lint-free pad just to remove any excess dust and just to clean up the surface. I'm then taking French Cream by NAIO Nails and applying about 3 coats. This is a sheer pink nude from their Nude Pinks collection. I'm then taking the hollow nail foil, which I got from Amazon, and pressing it randomly on the nail. This layered with the French cream will give dimension. I alternate between the foil and the gel polish about 3 times. I then take a backing form and 2 thin brushes. Here I am mixing Snow White and the clear glossy gel polish. This is going to create more of a sheer colour. I am applying lines with the white and then going over the top with the solution just to disperse the product. This is a really easy way to create a marble effect. You can see it creates a really nice subtle marble effect. I'm now taking Tangerine Twist by NAIO Nails and doing the same thing as I did with the white. I didn't mix in the glossy top coat just because I wanted it to be more opaque and less transparent. And once I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm just going to apply the top coat. I'm using Oud by Aura London for the middle finger. I'm then taking Latte, also by Aura London. This will be used as the base for the index finger and the pinky finger. I apply about 2 coats of each. So here I'm just taking Bear Hug by NAIO Nails, Cappuccino and Chocolate by Aura London. I'm first taking Bear Hug to create the lines on the nail. I made sure to cure each line as I'd done it to avoid any smudging. I'm then taking the chocolate shade and applying this, making sure I don't copy the previous line. I wanted them to start and end at different points. And then I do exactly the same with Cappuccino. And once I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm applying the top coat. So for this nail, I'm using exactly the same colours as the previous nail. I'm just using semicircles and circles to create this design. I then decided to take a dotting tool, Warm Fire and Tangerine twist to add a pop of colour. So taking the colours that we used before, I'm using that same dotting tool to apply dots of different sizes and different colours to this nail. I then decided to add a white line around the edge of the nail. Once cured, I used this bronze chrome powder that I got from Amazon and buffed it into that white line. So here I'm just adding to the marble effect with a few of the colours that we have used on the other nails, just so that it all ties in. And then using French cream to apply a thin layer over the top, just to mute the colours, for me to then apply some more colour on top to give that layered effect. I then did a light dusting of the chrome powder just to give it a shift. I wanted to add a bit of bling to the nail, so I decided to take my Swarovski crystals and this tool from NAIO, which has a spatula on one side and a brush on the other. To adhere the crystals, I am using the Acrygel by NAIO. So when applying the crystals, I'm using this wax tool, and this just helps to pick up the crystals and place them down again. And then I'm taking the brush side of that previous tool just to smooth the Acrygel and move it around so that it really encapsulates the crystals, making sure they don't move or fall off. And once I'm happy with the placement of the crystals, I then cure it under the lamp. So this is what the full set looks like. Thanks so much for watching.